Right, what's going on, guys? So I found a nice pog in Sheffield, this big industrial estate. I've got my drone on my dash there. I'm going to set it all up in a second and then we'll get some proper sick shots, because like I said, I've barely used it. I've had it for like 3 or 4 weeks. I've only used it like once, so I'll get some good shots in and then we'll see how it goes. Right, what's going on, guys? So I found a nice pog in Sheffield, this big industrial estate. I'll get some good shots in and then we'll see how it goes. Pretty sure I'm getting stalked to some shit. I'd never really pick best time of day either to come out, but I mean it's almost 4 o'clock, so it's going to be going dark soon, but do best we can while I'm here.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your binding.
Right, guys, I managed to get a bit of footage. It's pitch black now, so I can't really do much more. I did kind of shit myself at one point because it lost signal and I didn't have a clue what was going to happen, but the aircraft just pretty much hovered in place. So I had to walk closer towards where it were flying, and it managed to reconnect, and then it just said returning home. So I just let it do its own thing. So luckily it didn't just drop, and that would end it. So if you do lose signal, then don't worry too much, because it's going to just fly continuously by itself until you manage to regain that signal, and then it'll just make its way back to the return point.